Back once again to our daily hacking news. Today we have a lot of news coming from Russia, some malicious side, and few more things which is disrupting the internet right now. So let's start with the first news, which is coming from Russia itself. So Russian hackers breached around 20 plus NGOs using Evelgenix phishing via fake Microsoft entry. So there is a Russian affiliate threat actors which is dubbed as Wizard, right? Wizard or laundry wear. We can call it as a name that was given by the organizations. So they have identified exploiting cloud services to target around 20 NGOs, more than 20, right? So the attackers actually employed the Linux phishing kit to mimic Microsoft Entra login page, and this is tricking victims into sharing the credentials, right? So basically, the Genix phishing is a very popular kit which is being used for the phishing purposes. So here you can see the entire knowledge, and this campaign actually underscore the increasing sophisticated of phishing attack leveraging cloud infrastructure as well. So this is exactly what's going on around the world in Russia. Now, next news is related to payroll, like something which is for the concerning for the employees. So the cyber criminals are exploiting search engines ads to impersonate legitimate payroll services like ADP and Paycom, which is widely used into the market, right? So there is an unsuspected employee clicking these ads and are redirected to the malicious site as always, and that install info stealer malware such as Luma or Recon, which is pretty famous in the hacking world, right? So this actually highlight the danger of relying on search ads for accessing sensitive portals. So when you search anything on the search engine, probably you'll see the things on the top which is SEO friendly, right? So always have a link saved in your notebook, notepad from where you can type all those things on your browser, right? And then use, right? Don't just search Google out and search out the thing from the top. There might be some scam or something as well. So right now everything is like on the website. This is something which is going on website. So how to test a website is good or not, how to pen test a website, how to find a bug, and how to earn money. For that you can check out this URL viehgroup.com/tci. So the training will be starting in 2 to 3 days, and you'll learn exactly how to secure a website and report hacking, right? Now the next news is very concerning for the WordPress users. So there's a flaw which is in WooCommerce Wishlist plugin, which is very popular WooCommerce e-commerce plugin extensions. So this actually allow unauthorized access to the user private wishlist. So attackers can write and exploit this to gather user data and potentially launch target phishing campaigns. So website administrators are asked to update the plugin to the latest version as soon as possible. So here you will see the field factory and PHP, right? This is the unauthenticated file upload vulnerabilities paths actually. Breakdown, you can see here the exactly break from that part, right? So that is what we have. Now the next news is coming from uh, Russian government, right? So Russian government actually purchasing the hacked or stolen password from the cyber criminal forum. So what do you feel like? This is true or not? Just let me know in the comment box. So basically, the state-sponsored Russian hacking group are buying leaked credentials from underground forums, right? That is probably the hacktivist. So these credentials are then used in targeted attacks, emphasizing the importance of robust password hygiene and multi-factor authentication. So actually, this is what the people are urging all the time in the cybersecurity. Always update your password, whatever you are using. Probably the things has been breached. So if you want to check if your password is breached or not, you can check out haveibeenpawned.com. Okay, you can check out any email ID, right? In my case, I'll be checking my company mail support@vihgroup.com. So this is signing, right? So it will take time. I don't want to sign in. Just check it out from here. Okay, so this is what we have. So just check it out from on your, this is very common site among the people, right? So now the next news is coming from DanaBot. Okay, so yes, here we go. So guys, there's a un there's authorities have actually successfully taken down the infrastructure of DanaBot banking Trojan. This was widely spread by the Russian cyber criminals. This malware was responsible for stealing banking credentials and disrupting the additional malicious payload. So the takedown actually marks a significant victory in the fight against criminals. So this is good, but Russians, it's for bad news for them, right? Now the next news is coming from something another updates, right? So recently there was an update from Russia itself. Yes, yes, this one. So there's a laundry wear, and there was an investigation which was going around. So this has been connected with the Russian linked APT group laundry wear to a 2024 cyber attack on the Dutch police. So the breach actually aims to access internal document and sensitive investigations data, highlighting the risk faced by the law enforcement agencies. So Russian linked APT laundry beer linked to the 2024 Dutch police. So this was found guilty, right? Probably they have catch and got the evidence. Now the next news is coming from what malware or what? Look, Discord. This is the same what we have or what? That is different. Let me check it out. Is the same or what we have? Okay, so guys, I guess that's all for today. You can check out this if you want to learn about web based and pen testing. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind.